Raise your hand if you have ever right-clicked on a Google image and used it for your social media or something to do for your online presence. I know I have, and I know a lot of people do this on a regular basis. Share with you what's new on Facebook and how you protect your copyright, intellectual property online. So here's an article that I actually saw, and I'll give credit to brucelegal.com, about copyright in social media. So in Australia, underneath the Copyright Act 1968, it says that the copyright owners the exclusive rights over the material that they've copyrighted, which might include text, images, videos, icons, computer programming, video and audio. So basically, from my understanding, is that if you create something and share it with a third person, then you're automatically protected underneath the Copyright Act. However, the issue then is to prove and then go down the legal avenue of creating compensation or stopping somebody from using your content is far more expensive than just trying to get it removed or forgetting about that it actually happened. I know myself, I've had a lot of my content that's been repurposed, including blogs which have turned into speeches in local Cairns community and other things. But hey, you know what? As creators, we will go onto the internet and get inspiration and share that inspiration within our own people and our own audience. But that's different from actually blatantly copying and removing parts of an image to say that it's yours. So underneath the new rights manager that Facebook has just upgraded, I believe that it's been there for a while, but it's actually just created this new rights manager tool. If you're a creator of any sort of content for your business, then you should be applying now to have the Facebook's rights manager. And I'll put this link below. So the Rights Manager is a powerful, highly customized tool. Rights Manager lives within the Facebook Creator Studio platform. It's built for people who want to control when, how, and where their content is shared across Facebook and Instagram. From creators who post their own unique content to publishing houses that don't post to Facebook at all. So Rights Manager can be customized to meet your business regardless of what size is. Also from my understanding, it is if somebody takes a screenshot or tries to copy the link and then share it somewhere else on Facebook and Instagram, if you're registered for Rights Manager, you will have, well, not you because you created it, the other person will have that content removed because they don't have the right or they haven't asked permission to use your content. I personally think this is absolutely wonderful for creators and businesses all over Facebook and Instagram. And again, I'd reiterate the fact that it would be really important for you to protect your copyright and your material. So all you need to do is click the Apply Now button. It's a very short questionnaire, only a couple of questions, and then go forth and you will get an email from Facebook once it's been approved. I hope this has been of benefit to you today. Let me know in the comments section if you think this would help you and your business in protecting your copyright material. That's it from me, Leanne, Peard, social media specialist, award winner 2019 Best Social Media Educator, Australia, Pacific and Asia. What a mouthful. See you next time. Bye for now. So today I want to share with you copyright and the new Facebook addition of information. I hope this has been of benefit. I hope this has been of benefit to you today, and I look forward to hearing. I hope this has been of benefit to you. Let me know in your comments